Hello everyone, my name is Arfan. I'm the CEO of ABN Finsights Academy, Melbourne, Australia. This video has been recorded as a micro-learning program run by ABN Finsights Academy. And today's knowledge bite is key performance indicators. ABN Finsights Academy acts as a learning and development academy for CFOs and senior financial executives across the globe, including Australia, UK, Canada, Middle East, and Singapore in particular. What are the key performance indicators and why they are so important for an organization progress and growth? It is rightfully said by Peter Drucker, if it cannot be measured, it cannot be managed. KPI is a performance measure which shows how effectively an organization is performing towards the achievement of its key objectives. In other words, KPI tell us how good something and how someone is performing. For example, return on investment, one of the key financial KPI which gives an indication regarding your return on the investment. KPIs are extremely useful tools, but only when they are aligned with the organization's goals and objectives. At the same time, KPI also need to be relevant to the industry, organization, and department. There are certain key points which an organization needs to be aware of when it comes to define KPIs. KPI should be simple, should be relevant, should be communicated to the staff very clearly, should have a context in writing, should lead to improvement, and should not be too much ambitious or too ambitiously drive the process. The November 1981 issue of Management Review, which highlight the importance of how the KPI should be defined. As per the article, KPIs should be defined by adopting the SMART approach. It should be specific, target-oriented, it should be measurable, it should be assignable to someone, so he should be accountable, it should be realistic, and it should be time-related activity when you can measure against that time. There are 5 major types of KPIs. Number 1, the input KPIs measure resources used during a business process. For example, staff time, cash on hand, inventory management, working capital management as an example. The process KPIs measure the efficiency and productivity of a business process. For example, average response time to the customer call. Next one is the output KPIs, measure the financial and non-financial results of business activities. For example, revenue, profits, new customers acquired. The leading KPIs used in predicting or influencing the future performance. For example, growth in sales pipeline, user guide usage, etc. Then the last one is the lagging KPIs. They're used to measure results at the end of the time period to reflect upon the success or failure of an initiative. For example, customer satisfaction, number of deaths in the industry or in the factory, or in a specific industry, for example, mining. Thank you very much for watching this video. We hope that you like it. Please keep following up our YouTube channel and visit our website for further insights. Thank you. Bye.